Most men wake up already behind, hitting snooze, scrolling their phones, and hoping the day somehow goes right. In the Marine Corps, we didn't hope for discipline. We trained it every morning. Today, I'm breaking down the Marine Corps morning routine that builds unbreakable discipline and how you can apply it to your life starting tomorrow. If you're new here, I'm a United States Marine, former North Carolina State powerlifting champion, and a certified personal trainer. And this channel is about helping men build discipline, strength, confidence, and purpose in their everyday lives. If you're serious about becoming a more disciplined man, subscribe to the channel. This content is about standards, not comfort. Let's walk through the Marine Corps morning routine step by step. In the Marine Corps, mornings are sacred. They set the tone for the entire day. Discipline isn't built when life is easy. It's built when you do the hard, boring, necessary things before anyone is watching. If you control your morning, you control your day. When reveille sounds off in the Marine Corps, you get up immediately. No snooze, no debate. That single action, it trains your mind to obey instead of negotiate. So, here's something for civilians. Pick a wake-up time, stick to it every single day, and get out of bed right when that alarm hits. Discipline, folks, begins the moment you choose action over comfort. The Marine's day starts with making your bed, or your bunk. Now, this process, it isn't about the sheets, it's about standards. You complete a task correctly even when no one's watching. For you at home, make your bed every morning, clean up your immediate space, and start your day with order. A man who lives in chaos, well, he struggles to live with discipline. Next comes preparation for physical training. PT, uniform on, boots or shoes ready, gear squared away, everything has a place. This right here teaches responsibility and readiness. For civilians, that means lay out your workout clothes the night before. No rushing, no scrambling. Move with purpose. Preparation is a form of discipline most men ignore. PT is where discipline is tested. Push-ups, pull-ups, sit-ups, and a variety of other calisthenic exercises. Then we're off to a run of at least 3 miles. This isn't about comfort. It's about learning to perform while uncomfortable. For civilians, bodyweight training, running, walking, or rucking can do the trick. Push yourself, but stay consistent. When you conquer physical discomfort early, mental challenges feel smaller all day long. After PT, Marines clean up, shave, shower, reset. This isn't vanity, it's professionalism. You don't walk around looking sloppy. For civilians, shower intentionally, groom yourself, and dress like you respect yourself. A disciplined appearance reinforces a disciplined mindset. Next stop, the chow hall. Breakfast isn't junk, it's fuel. Protein, carbs, hydration. For civilians, eat a real breakfast, prioritize protein, and skip the sugar and trash. What you put in your body determines how you perform. Now the workday begins, but you're already disciplined, focused, and squared away. You've won the morning. Now you execute the mission. This is why Marines don't feel lost. They start every day with structure. This Marine Corps morning routine isn't about being extreme, it's about building standards. If you want discipline, stop looking for motivation and start building routines. If this video helped you, subscribe to the channel and click one of the videos on the screen right now to continue building strength, discipline, and confidence like a man who doesn't quit. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.